Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Salsabila and I'm a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University Margonda. I'm majoring in Information System class 19.1C.01 and my student number is 19252073. Today, I would like to share my opinion about our President, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Being the president of a big and diverse country like Indonesia, it's not easy. I truly sympathize with him because he has to face so many challenges from keeping stability and improving the economy to taking care of people welfare. I really respect his courage and dedication to serve the nation. His background as a soldier shows discipline and a strong sense of duty to protect Indonesia. Still, I hope he listens to the voice of the people, especially young generation like us. I wish he focused more on education, jobs, and technology so young people can help our nation move forward. I also like his passion about the food and energy independence. It's a big goal. If we all work together, I believe Indonesia can be strong and more independent. Of course, no leader is perfect, but with teamwork between the government and the people, our country can grow more peaceful, fair, and prosperous. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And for this assignment session, I will explain the material on adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Definition. What is an adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency is a word that tells us how often an action happens. It describes how many times something occurs within a certain period, like every day, sometimes, or never. Function. What is the function of an adverb of frequency? The function of adverb of frequency is to express habits, routines, or repeat action in daily life, such as eating, studying, or exercising. They make sentence more informative by showing how frequently an action takes place. Types of adverb of frequency. A. Definite adverb of frequency. A definite adverb of frequency tells us exactly how often something happens. It often asks number or time expression like daily, weekly, or every month. B. Indefinite adverb of frequency. An indefinite adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens in general, but not exactly. It doesn't mention a specific number or time. Definite adverb of frequency. Adverb 1. Daily. Example sentence, I brush my teeth daily. 2. Every day. She studies English every day. 3. Weekly. We have meetings weekly. 4. Every week. They play futsal every week. 5. Monthly. She receives her salary monthly. 6. Every month. I visit my cousin every month. 7. Yearly. The event is held yearly. 8. Every year. We travel together every year. Indefinite adverb of frequency. Adverb 1. Always. Frequency 100%. Example sentence, I always eat breakfast. 2. Usually. Frequency 19%. She usually wake up early. 3. Often. Frequency 75%. We often go jogging. 4. Sometimes. Frequency 15%. I sometimes watch movie. 5. Seldom. 25%. He seldom drinks coffee. 6. Rarely. Frequency 20%. They really go swimming. And last 7. Never. Frequency 0%. Example sentence: she never eats junk food. Difference between definite and indefinite adverbs. 1. Meaning. Definite adverb show exact or specific frequency. Indefinite adverb show general or uncertain frequency. 2. Time expression. Definite adverb yes, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Indefinite adverb no specific time, always, often, usually, etc. 3. Example. Definite adverb: I visit my uncle once a month. Indefinite adverb: I usually visit my uncle. Position in a sentence. A. Before the main verb. Pattern, subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb 1. Example: I always eat breakfast at 6 a.m. 2. They often play basketball after school. 3. She sometimes goes to the library. 4. We never forget to pray. 5. He usually studies in the evening. B. After the verb to be. Pattern, subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. Example 1. She is always on time. 2. We are usually tired after practice. 3. I'm never late for class. 4. They are often happy when it rains. 5. He is sometimes quiet in class. C. Between helping verb and main verb. Pattern, subject plus auxiliary verb plus adverb of frequency plus main verb. Example 1. I have always wanted to visit Japan. 2. You can often see him at the park. 3. She will never forget this moment. 4. They most usually visit their homework before dinner. 5. He has seldom been absent from school. Common mistakes. A. Wrong sentence. She always is late. I eat always rice. They are often play football. Correct sentence. She is always late. I always eat rice. They often play football. Note: an adverb of frequency should be placed before the main verb or after to be. Adverb of frequency in question. To ask about frequency, use how often followed by an auxiliary verb do, does, did, a subject, and the main verb. Example: how often do you study English? How often does she visit her friend? Not use how often to ask how frequently an activity is done. Answering how often. You can answer using adverb of frequency: always, usually, often, sometimes, really, never. Times expression: once, twice a week, every day, 3 times a month, etc. Example: I usually wake up early. He plays football twice a week. Adverb of frequency in negative sentence. Pattern, subject plus don't, doesn't plus adverb of frequency plus verb. Example: I don't usually drink coffee. 2. She doesn't often watch TV. 3. They don't always agree with each other. 4. He doesn't sometimes eat breakfast. 5. We don't often go to the cinema. In negative sentence, the adverb of frequency is placed after the auxiliary verb don't, doesn't, and before the main verb. It shows that the action is not done regularly or frequently. Can sometimes be at the beginning? Yes, it can. Sometimes can appear at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. At the meaning stays the same. It indicates that the activity happens from time to time or not regularly. Example 1. Sometimes I go out with my friends. 2. I go out with my friends sometimes. 3. Sometimes she feels tired after school. 4. She feels tired after school sometimes. 5. Sometimes they play football in the evening. Why are adverbs of frequency important? Because they help us describe how often we do some things, making our communication clear and more natural. More example: 1. I always brush my teeth in the morning. 2. My father usually reads the newspaper. 3. We sometimes visit our grandparents. 4. They really eat fast food. 5. She never forgets to pray. Summary: adverb of frequency describe how often some things happen. A. There are two main types. Definite adverb show a specific frequency. Definite adverbs show a non-specific frequency. B. They are usually used in the simple present tense. C. Position before the main verb, after to be, or between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Closing. So, adverb of frequency help us express our habit and daily routines clearly and naturally. They make our sentence more meaningful and show how often we do something in our daily life. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.